You want to look your best from every aspect when there are cameras around, correct? So, what steps can be taken to ensure that you constantly seem amazing in pictures? And how can you pose and always look great? Don't worry, guys. The professionals need a lot of help to look the way they do on camera. Even if you think you're not that photogenic, you can dramatically improve how you look in a photo by following these 10 tips. Before we begin, make sure you like and subscribe. And if you like to support the channel, please check out the link down below so I can keep spreading this valuable information. Number 1. Study your pictures. Start by looking at both your best and worst self-portraits. Identify the reasons for the success or failure of certain pictures. Which stance do you think is more awkward than the other? Was the lighting generally pleasing? Study carefully what makes you appear good in pictures, because the next time a camera is pointing at you, this will be incredibly helpful. Obtaining your ideal photos is simple if you have a solid understanding of the process. Perhaps, let me tell you this. A couple of years ago, I too struggled with what you are struggling with right now. But I improved my photos just by analyzing tons of them. I advise you to randomly take portraits and selfies and find out what went wrong and what can be improved. Trust me, this will completely change your game. Number 2. Find your angles. Look, finding your angles is an essential skill, especially for men aiming to look their best in every captured moment. It's not just about having chiseled features or a perfect smile. It's about understanding how to present yourself to the camera in the most flattering way possible. And this is where most men are struggling. But follow this strategy if you wish to improve. Know your face. Understanding your facial structure is fundamental. Experiment in front of a mirror to identify your most flattering angles. Whether it's a slight tilt of the head, a particular side profile, or the way your jawline appears from different angles. The eyes are often considered the windows to the soul, so maintaining good eye contact with the camera can establish a strong connection with the viewer. Take the time to analyze your facial features objectively. Are you blessed with strong cheekbones, a defined jawline, expressive eyes, or full lips? Knowing your best features allows you to highlight them in photos. Symmetry is often associated with attractiveness, but not everyone's face is perfectly symmetrical. Outrun the unique asymmetries of your face and use angles to balance them out. Pay attention to proportion as well. For instance, if you have a larger forehead, consider framing your face with your hair or a hat. This will automatically boost your Instagram game. But the important thing is, like any skill, finding your angles takes practice. Take selfies, participate in photo shoots, or even enroll in modeling or acting classes to hone your posing skills and gain confidence in front of the camera. Number 3. Work on your posture. Improving posture is not only important for overall health and well-being, but also plays a significant role in enhancing your appearance in photographs. And that's what most men don't understand. Visually, you look more composed and inviting when you stand tall with your shoulders back and chest open. Also, growing your body with proper posture gives you a taller, thinner appearance. Just like that, when you slouch or hunch forward, it can cause your chin to jut out or your neck to appear shorter, resulting in unflattering angles in photos. By maintaining good posture, you can ensure that your facial features are presented in their best light. But let me tell you, posture communicates volumes about your personality and mood, and that is true. Slumped shoulders and crossed arms can convey defensiveness or insecurity, while an open and upright posture exudes confidence and approachability. This nonverbal communication translates directly into how you come across in photographs. However, if you're struggling to improve your posture, then I've got a few tips for you. Make sure to follow them for at least a month to see results. Practice mindfulness throughout the day, checking in with your posture regularly. Strengthen core muscles through exercises like planks and Pilates, which provide the foundation for good posture. Stretch tight muscles, particularly in the chest, shoulders, and hips, to alleviate tension that contributes to poor posture. Similarly, invest in practical accessories and furniture that support proper alignment, especially if you spend long hours sitting at a desk. Number 4. Face the camera. Look, guys, facing the camera with confidence is essential for achieving photogenic success. Whether it's a casual snapshot or a professional photo shoot, how you present yourself to the lens can significantly impact the outcome. I've advised people countless times to maintain good eye contact with the camera. It'll elevate your snap games instantly. You create a direct line to interact with the viewers when you face the camera directly. Facing the camera lets your personality come out, whether you're taking a serious pose or just smiling real. Try to convey confidence. It is key when facing the camera. If you're feeling camera shy or ready to strike a pose, projecting confidence in your character can make all the difference in how you come across in photos. Stand tall, relax your shoulders, and show self-assurance. Number 5. Tell a story. Now this one is big, trust me. People often ask me about my Instagram photos, how I took them. I simply say, learn to tell a story. The more you're good at storytelling, the more people will like your content. Every photo has the potential to narrate a unique story, capturing moments that relate with viewers on an emotional level. Just capture authentic moments. The key of storytelling lies in authenticity. Instead of simply posing for the camera, strive to capture genuine moments that reflect your true self. Whether it's an impulsive laugh, a thoughtful gaze, or a moment of success, authentic moments add depth and richness to your photo narrative. But that's not all. Context is key to effective storytelling. Consider the setting, background, and surroundings when composing your photos. Each element contributes to the narrative, providing insights into your lifestyle, interests, and passions. Number 6. Learn poses. Experiment with various stances, from casual to formal, to find what suits you best. Practice posture, ensuring a straight back and relaxed shoulders. Explore different facial expressions, guys. Try to convey different moods. Hold angles to add depth and dimension to your poses. Study professional models or actors for inspiration. But don't forget to infuse your unique personality into your poses. With practice and experimentation, you'll develop a range of poses that highlight your best features and exude confidence in every photo. But I suggest you learn only 3 to 4 poses for now. If you master them, then it's game on. You'll never ask for someone's help in setting your pose next time. Number 7. Smile. For men, a confident smile can enhance attractiveness and charm in photos. I believe that practicing smiling naturally is the key, but you have to avoid forced or overly wide smiles, opting instead for a relaxed expression that radiates confidence. Whereas a subtle sneer or half smile can convey confidence, though a full, genuine smile radiates warmth and approachability. Remember, a smile is not just a facial expression. It's a reflection of inner joy and confidence that shines through in every photo. Number 8. Editing. Now here's an important step. For your photos, subtle adjustments can enhance mood, clarity, and composition. Focus on correcting exposure, color balance, and contrast to ensure a polished look. But trust me, you have to avoid excessive retouching. Aim for a natural appearance that preserves authenticity. You can always go for refinement by just cropping and straightening as needed, directing focus to the subject. Experiment with filters and effects sparingly to complement the photo's aesthetic. I believe, after following these steps and tricks, the story and mood of your photo will improve tenfold. Number 9. Work on your skin. Improving skin health is essential for men aiming to look their best in photos. Establishing a skincare routine tailored to your skin type can minimize marks, reduce redness, and promote a clear complexion. For this, you need to cleanse daily to remove dirt and oil, followed by moisturizing to hydrate and protect. Include exfoliation to slough off dead skin cells and promote renewal. Sunscreen application is crucial to prevent sun damage and premature aging. Guys, don't forget to apply sunscreen before going out in the sun. It prevents aging and sun damage. Similarly, drink plenty of water daily. This will boost your overall mood. And I believe with consistent care, men can achieve a healthy, radiant complexion that shines through in every photo. Number 10. Have good lighting. Natural light is ideal, providing even illumination that enhances facial features and minimizes shadows. When I'm indoors, I opt for soft, diffused lighting to avoid harsh shadows and unflattering contrasts. Try to position yourself facing the light to ensure a well-lit appearance. Try to avoid overhead lighting, which can create unflattering shadows and highlight imperfections. You can always experiment with different angles and times of day to find the most flattering lighting conditions. The secret is not to make yourself look like someone else, just the best version of yourself. So go forth and let your photos do the talking.